Since this is just a small project, so I just decided to buy in Bunnings this sample pot. So you just have to select a color and then they can give you a portion of that particular paint that you wanted. So I got myself this grayish white and grayish green that I will be using for this project. So after cleaning the wicker basket, I have decided to paint it in a color white grayish tone to give it like a French country vibe. So if you see here, I'm just lightly brushing the paint in the basket so that I could still see the original color peeking through the paint. I got this plastic vase from a dollar shop a long time ago and I want to give it a ceramic look. I got this 2 ceramic canister from my previous op shopping and I want to upgrade this so that it will look cohesive. So for the canister lids, I want to paint this in this grayish green. Same as the plastic vase, I'm gonna upgrade this glass vase to give it a ceramic look. Bought this acrylic paint in small tube in Kmart because I wasn't satisfied with the outcome of the grayish white look, so I want to play around with the colors and repaint my flower vases. trying out this baking soda technique to add into your paint so that it will give it a ceramic look. And here is the final look. Thanks for watching and subscribing.